In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook like button to your Webflow website. This is a fantastic way to increase engagement and share your content with greater ease. Visitors to your site can effortlessly give their approval and spread the word to their own networks. Let's dive in and make this a simple, streamlined process. To get started, you'll want to press the A key on your keyboard. This will bring up the Add Elements panel in Webflow. This panel is your toolkit, filled with various elements you can incorporate into your website design. It's a powerful feature in Webflow that helps you customize your site easily and effectively, giving you quick access to all the components you might need. Once you're in the Add Elements panel, scroll down to the Advanced section. This section is a gold mine filled with more sophisticated elements that can enhance your site's functionality. It includes various widgets and integrations that aren't available in the basic section. Keep scrolling until you spot what you're looking for, as sometimes it might be positioned towards the bottom. Within the Advanced section, you'll find the Facebook element. It's designed to seamlessly integrate Facebook's social tools into your Webflow site. What you're looking for in particular here is the Facebook like button. This element will allow users visiting your website to click like and instantly share their appreciation on Facebook without having to leave your page. It's an excellent tool for boosting the presence and reach of your content. When you've located the Facebook element, it's as easy as a click and drag. Simply click on the element and drag it to the appropriate spot on your site. Aim for a location where it will be most visible and inviting for visitors to engage with. Consider placing it near content that's dynamic and shareable, like blog posts or updates. Once you've dragged it into place, Webflow takes care of the rest, automatically integrating the like button functionality into your site. And there you go. With these simple steps, you've added a powerful tool to your website that can help drive more traffic and interaction. Integrating social media into your design can greatly enhance the shareability of your content and encourage more active participation from your audience. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Adding interactive elements like the Facebook like button is just one of many ways to optimize your Webflow website for greater engagement. As you continue to build and refine your site, consider other integrations available in Webflow that can enhance user experience. Thanks for watching and happy designing.